Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. As you can see, this is a baby Range Rover. So this is the Range Rover Evogue, fresh off the truck. Recovery driver. Let's just dump out there, mate. This is Disney drive, man. Won't even pull on. Didn't have the power to drive up the recovery truck, and it is making a bit of a noise. So it's probably something alright with the turbo, possibly. Taking the beauty cover off the engine at the minute, just to. Oh, it sounds sadness. Sounds like much sadness. Yeah. Oh, lots of vibrations in there, so I'm suggesting that's going to be knackered, I think. Oh, there's the noise. I'll just switch it off. So. Obviously we were looking at the other Land Rover out there, the big Range Rover, so that's what we were in. 306 DT, twin turbo V6, which is outside, just driving well at the minute. So we'd see if I'm starting Land Rover, I should pick it up. Let's see what's going on. Yes. Not good, this one, not good. I suspect the turbo's collapsed on it or something. Right, turbos on these, prone for going, EGRs, prone for going. It's a 4-wheel drive model as well, 4-wheel drive issues, door latches on them as well, prone for going on these. There's a customer come in there, so bear with us. Welcome back, guys. Not Range Rover, it's a baby one. It's the Range Rover, Jagged Land Rover Evoque. So it's come in on a recovery truck. I think there's 7 fault codes in engine, load of turbo, load of DPF, NOx, gas sensor, all basically exhaust related. The vehicle would not drive on the truck, it would not drive off the truck. It had to be pushed, we had to rearrange our whole yard to get the thing in, so we did that. We've moved, thankfully the ones that were here could be moved. First giveaway, it's a bit oily in here. This is the intake side of the turbo. It's a bit oily. Right, it's fine, you do get wee bits of oil. Make a horrific noise under the bonnet when you start the thing. Everybody hear that? So that there is the sound of the turbo collapsed. So that's why it's getting no power. So what happens is this engine, it's a 4-banger, we call this, 4 cylinders, suck, squeeze, bang, blow 4 times. She's quality stuff, like eh? However, the way this works, exhaust gases come out the engine and they blow onto a propeller in here. This then spins, it sucks air down here and it crams it back into the inlet manifold. However, without that working, this vehicle, this wee engine doesn't even have the power to pull it on and off the truck. Now there is other issues with it. The rocker cover is going to want either replaced. I would probably just advise replacing that because it looks like it's coming out of there. So that part of the rocker cover is certainly going to want replacing. You can see it's all soaked in there as well. And then obviously what damage has been done to the DPF. I'm not sure if it's been in another garage as well. It stinks of something. There's some sort of smell coming from it. I don't think anything's been sprayed into it. It's maybe just because the exhaust went, you know, the turbos went on it. So I have already looked into turbos on it. Believe it or not, you can get a Land Rover turbo. No, you can get a Land Rover turbo for it, but Mitsubishi make a turbo for this, eh? So that's a wee bit of cheek for Mitsubishi, isn't it? Eh? You'll build your turbo, it'll last. So I need a turbo, unfortunately. So thanks for watching, guys.